So to transfer PayPal to your debit card, it is actually pretty easy. You need first to link your debit card right here, which you can see, link a card or bank. And yes, right here, or yeah. After that is that you should go to your home button, then press transfer funds. After pressing the transfer funds is that you can see right here that your bank or card is presented in the screen. So you're just gonna choose which card you want to apply the charges. Then hit next. After hitting next is that you can now transfer your funds to your debit card alone.